Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm a library technician at M-State Moorhead. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to cite sources. To start, you need to go to the Reference tab in Microsoft Word, and we're going to use the box in the middle, the Citations and Bibliography box. First, you need to pick your style. Most students use either APA or MLA. Today I'm going to use MLA. Write a sentence you need to cite. Place your cursor where you want the parenthetical citation to go, which is one space after the sentence and right before the period. And you're going to go to Insert Citation drop-down menu and click on Add New Source. At the top of this box, there is a drop-down menu that has different sources. I'm going to pick Book. I'm going to fill in the author. The title, the year, the city, and the publisher. And click OK. And your parenthetical citation will display. Now, if you need to add a page number, click on the citation, click on the drop-down menu, edit citation, and add the page. And click OK. Now I'm going to add another sentence. I'm going to put my cursor right before the period and a space after the sentence. And I'm going to go to Insert Citation. Now, Microsoft Word remembers the citations you have done. I cited an article earlier, and I just chose it from the menu. I'm going to click on the little drop-down menu, edit citation, add my page number, and click OK. Now when you're finished, you can add a works cited or a bibliography by going to the bibliography menu, choosing either bibliography or works cited, and it will appear. Now make sure that you do go over the citations. They're pretty good, but you never know, there could be mistakes. Now that's how you do citations in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, please ask a library staff member. Thanks and have a good day.